Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Nuranisa with name 10225045. Here I will tell you a monologue about keep moving. Life will indeed go on, even when you feel like stopping. Even when you don't like the storyline, disagree with the ending, and feel exhausted because everything does go according to the plan you uncertainty laid out in your head. Life keeps moving forward, second by second, without waiting for you to be ready. And perhaps therein lies the first lesson we often overlook. Life does always ask for our approval to keep moving. We often forget that everyone has their own path. They have their own stories, one that are always visible, and happiness that can take a very different from that we imagine. Everyone has their own circle, hobby that make them feel alive, little things that keep them going, and goals we may never fully understand. So it's natural to feel like me, Reynolds on take. And that doesn't always mean we may failed. Someone thinks adjustments or journey are no longer aligning. Don't expect too much to be someone's ultimate goal, let alone force them to stay just because we're afraid of losing them. Because excessive expectation often turn into pain. And love that should be liberating turn into aversion. We forget that love ends about possessing completely, but about allowing someone to grow, even if that grow is always toward us. Because if your feelings are totally sincere, you will cause to free, not hold back. You will prefer to sit and happy, even in the source of that happiness and you. And it's not easy, not at all. There's an ego screaming, a head rebelling, and a pain that can be carried inward. But that's where insecurity invested. When you cause to remain silent, cause to let go, even though your heart is slowing briefly. Let everything happen naturally, without concerns, without demands, without promise tested to make others feel guilty. Because something forced never totally lasts. It only delays the big up, prolong the fine, and adds to the frequency of both party to and later ready to last. Trust me, someone will consider you home will never to life. They might get lost, might drift away, might lose their way, but home always has a way of being card back. And if they are meant to come home, they will return on their own without you having forced them. without you having to search yourself. Life is after all simple. What complicates it are humans, or tongue, or expectations, and other overly inflated egos. Egos that make us feel, added to possess, added to demand, and they force the him to conform to our wish. Ego that make us forget that not everything I wish us control. And not everyone has to stay just because we are not ready to be left. Live on fault is course. Live everyone has their own place. Don't force something to get off track just because we're afraid of being alone. Because some things lost in abandonment, but after process of learning to accept and of getting to know. Ours morph the fly. This force is meant to break your head even more. Quit the opposite. If you feel less in fine, it means you're strong, very strong. Because you've made it through to die. A die that might have led a die that might have made you want to give up. A day you struggle through, but you made it through anyway, and that is no small feat. Tomorrow, a people, just one small spring wind breeze, smell of rain, maybe a warm cup of coffee, maybe simple message from someone, maybe the evening sky suddenly look more beautiful. However, there will be a moment that makes you laugh out loud, even if only for a moment, and makes you want to share your happiness with those around you. But if tomorrow is as beautiful, it what comes instead brings no trial, no pause, or a run sense of fine take. Might it not bring you down, might it is up to you, make you wish and dealing with circumstance, gentle with yourself, and strong in silence. May your arms and sword be stronger to bear every burden you can tell and you. May your breath be softened, so you can accept the words of consumers without losing gratitude. And may your mind be cleared, so you can remain positive about God. Even when your prayers haven't been anywhere as you wish. Rest. You've struggled until today. Rest or sleep, tuning, be dead. Warmth, embrace. My good long text throat or head. And something whisper, how I love you. Keep going. It's okay, slow down. It's okay, stop for a moment. Just don't give up, because life always been a way to bring you home, to strong you that before. Thanks all the story and me. Thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.